Hello kids! So today in this video we are going to learn alphabet from A to Z, both in capital letters and small letters. So let's get started. So first I'll use this color. This is purple color. A, capital letter A. A for apple. A for apple. A, small letter A. A for apple. And this one is purple color. Next I'll take light green color. B, capital B. B for ball. B for ball. B, small b. B for ball. And this is light green color. Next I'll take orange color and write the letter C. This is capital letter C. C for cat. This is small letter C. C for cat. And this one is orange color. Next I'll take brown color and write the letter D. This is capital letter D. D for dog. This one is small letter D. D for dog. Next I'll take red color and write the letter E. This is capital letter E. E for elephant. E for elephant. This is small letter E. E for elephant. And this is red color. Next I'll take blue color and write the letter F. This is capital letter F. F for fish. F for fish. And this one is small letter F. F for fish. This is light blue color. Next I'll take gray color and write the letter G. G for gate. G for gate. This is small letter G. G for gate. This is gray color. Next I'll take pink color. This is pink color and write the letter H. This is capital letter H. H for house. H for house. This is small letter H. H for house. And this one is pink color. Next I'll choose dark blue color and write the letter I. This is capital letter I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. This one is small letter I. I for ice cream. Next I'll choose yellow color and write the letter J. This is capital letter J. J for jug. J for jug. This is small letter J. J for jug. And this one is which color? Yellow color. Very good. Next I'll take dark green color and write the letter K. This is capital letter K. K for kite. K for kite. And this one is small letter K. K for kite. Which color is this? This is dark green color. Very good. Next again I'll take purple color and write the letter L. This is capital letter L. L for lion. L for lion. And this one is small letter L. L for lion. Next I'll take light green color and write the letter M. This is capital letter M. M for monkey. M for monkey. And this one is small letter M. M for monkey. M for monkey. Which color is this? This is light green color. Next I'll choose orange color and write the letter N. This is capital letter N. N for nose. N for nose. This is small letter N. N for nose. This is which color? This is orange color. Next I'll take brown color and write the letter O. This is capital letter O. O for ox. O for ox. This is small letter O. O for ox. This is brown color. Next I'll choose red color and write the letter P. This is capital letter P. P for peacock. P for peacock. And this one is small letter P. P for peacock. This is red color. Next I'll take blue color and write the letter Q. This is capital letter Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. And this one is small letter Q. Q for queen. This is blue color. Okay. Now I'll take gray color and write the letter R. This is capital letter R. This is capital letter R. R for rose. R for rose. And this one is small letter R. R for rose. Next I'll take pink color and write the letter S. This is capital letter S. S for sun. S for sun. And this one is small letter S. S for sun. S for sun. Okay. Which color is this? Pink color. Very good. Next I'll take dark blue color and write the letter T. This is capital letter T. T for tiger. T for tiger. And this one is small letter T. T for tiger. This is dark blue color. Next I'll take yellow color and write the letter U. This is capital letter U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. And this one is small letter U. U for umbrella. Which color is this? This is yellow color. Next I'll choose purple color and write the letter V. V for van. V for van. This is capital letter V. Now I'll write small letter V. V for van. This is purple color. Next I'll take light green color and write the letter W. Capital letter W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. And this one is small letter W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. This is light green color. Next I'll take orange color and write capital X. This is capital X. X for xylophone. And this one is small letter X. X for xylophone. Orange color. Next I'll take brown color and write the letter Y. This is capital letter Y. Y for yacht. Y for yacht. This is small letter Y. Y for yacht. Y for yacht. This is which color? Brown color. Very good. And finally I'll take red color and write the letter Z. This is capital letter Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. And this one is small letter Z. Z for zebra. So hence we have completed our alphabets both in capital letters and small letters. I hope you have understood and learned something from this video. And if you do, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.